So to cut open the headlight, we use an oscillating tool with a fine-tooth blade. We are going to cut around the entire perimeter of the headlight. We want to stay above the clips and ride this line all the way around the headlight. As you can see, these two parts that are taped off are the only parts that are actually visible when the headlight is installed on the truck. So you want to take care to make sure that this line is clean, but as long as you don't go up into any of these parts, it's not going to show when it's on the bumper. And we're gonna show you how to seal this up properly so it doesn't leak.